Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Real quickly, if you're new here, welcome. This channel is all about searching the internet, finding the best work from home jobs available, and bringing them to you on a daily basis. Now, these jobs only take so many applications before they start hiring, interviewing, and all of that. So make sure you're subscribed, have your notifications turned on so you are notified as soon as I post a new job. The links to all the pages I share are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead comes from the company DentaQuest. Now, one thing to note about DentaQuest, they are owned by a parent company called SunLife. DentaQuest on Glassdoor has 352 reviews from current and past employees with an employee satisfaction rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. The parent company SunLife that owns them, they have over 4,000 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.9 out of 5 stars, but they are hiring a claims processing representative for their DentaQuest brand. This is remote for the United States only. This is going to be a mostly non-phone position. As a claims representative, you're going to process both entry-level and intermediate claims queues with a 99% or greater accuracy rate. You're going to adhere to the approved claim workflow requirements to maximize efficiency and serve as the backup to the claims administration team for entry-level adjustments to claims as necessary to meet corporate goals. Now, if it is needed, you will serve as a backup to the call center during their peak periods by taking provider and member calls to ensure corporate-wide service levels. But most of the time, your job is going to be completely non-phone, successfully completing the basic claim-related projects that you are assigned. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree. If you have at least 2 years of experience in some kind of business environment, if not, they will take a 2-year associate's degree over having any experience at all. They do want somebody who has strong math skills, the ability to operate a computer, someone who has great communication skills and can be self-motivated. Now, again, you do need to use those Microsoft Office systems, so you need to know how to operate like Word, Excel, and Outlook for email. Of course, pay for this position is always dependent on location and experience. Pay ranges anywhere from $41,700 a year on the low end, all the way up to $63,500 a year on the high end. They also offer a standard benefit package that includes health, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If you enjoyed job leads like this, please give this video a thumbs up like button. That does give me direct feedback. Share with all your friends and family. Don't forget, if you have anything specific that you're looking for, you can always leave that in the comments down below. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.